Hello everyone, in this video we are going to explore how you can earn money online. If you are looking for easy ways to start earning money from the comfort of your home, you are in the right place. Let's dive into it. There is a website called Free Cash, which is an exciting platform that lets you make money online through some tasks like installing apps, playing games, and taking some surveys, etc. To get started, go to any browser that you like, and in the search bar search for Free Cash and go to the website that will pop into the first place. Then sign up for FreeCash with your Gmail account. And to start earning money, you have to tap on offers. And here in all offers, if you are using Android, then you can select Android. And if you are using iOS, then you can select iOS. And if you are using your PC, then you can select desktop. And here I'm using my PC, so I'll choose desktop. And here you can see there is one offers that is available for PC. You have to select any offers that you like. If you are using Android or iOS, I'll choose this one. And here you can see the descriptions of this game. And here you can see how you will get rewards. If I play at least 8 battles to get my first warship within game currency, then I'll get 12 cents. And if I play at least 8 battles, unlock second warship within the game currency and play 3 battles on it, then I'll get 19 cents. And here you can see the descriptions of the game. And to get further more details, you can tap on more info. And here you can see the status of the game, category of the offer, and the offer providers. And here you can see the steps to complete this task. And to earn money through this offer, you have to tap on play and earn and select any offers that you like and complete the task to get money. And if you are using Android or iOS devices, select any offer that you like and install that game into your mobile and play that game and complete all the tasks to get money. And if you want to earn money through surveys, you have to tap on surveys. And to start earning money through surveys, you have to tap on receive 10 cents reward and tap on get started and complete the surveys, then you'll get money. And here, if you tap on win up to $250 sign up bonus. And here, if you enter referral code, then you'll get up to $250. And if you don't have referral code, then you can use free as a code. And tap on open case. And here you can see I have earned 5 cents as a sign up bonus. And here, if you tap on download our app and download this app into your mobile, then you'll get 15 cents as a reward. And here, if you tap on rewards, and this type of interface will be shown. And here, if you maintain your daily streak, then you'll get $1 in 7 days. And here, if you have any bonus code, then you can enter your bonus code and tap on apply. And if you tap on affiliates, then this type of interface will be shown. And here you can see a referral link through which you can invite your friends and families to this website to earn money. And if your friends or family sign up for free cash with your referral link, then you'll be able to earn passive income as a commission. And to withdraw your money, you have to tap on cash out. And here you can see different withdrawal methods, and the most popular are Stake, PayPal, and Visa. Or you can also withdraw your money as a cryptocurrency in Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. But I do recommend to use this most popular one. And here you can see in Stake, the minimum withdrawal is 10 cents. And in PayPal, the minimum withdrawal is $5. And in Visa, it is also $5. And in Bitcoin, The minimum withdrawal is 10 cents, and in Litecoin it is also 10 cents, and Ethereum it is also 10 cents, and in Dogecoin it is also 10 cents. And if you have enough money to withdraw your earnings into any digital wallet or crypto wallet that you like, then you can withdraw your money. Let's say I chose PayPal and select any amount that you can afford. I'll select this one. And here you have to accept all these conditions and tap on withdraw. Then you'll be able to withdraw your money into the digital wallet that you like. This is how you can earn money through this website. So that's it. If you are interested, sign up for FreeCast today and start earning money online. And if you find this video helpful, even 1%, then consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another video like this. Thanks for watching. Happy earning.